My name's Matt Bloom, part of the estimating team here at Hilton Coachworks. Today we've done an appraisal or an estimate on this C-Class coupe here. Estimates can be carried out here at our headquarters in Bishop Stortford or indeed at any of the Mercedes-Benz of Hertfordshire sites that we cover. This vehicle will be estimated today and sent off to the insurance company for authorisation. Once authorised, we can order the parts through our dedicated dealerships. All the parts will be genuine, and the vehicle then make it into the workshop to be stripped down and checked for any other additional parts.
Once the initial estimate has been completed, then the car will be processed. Now, this is a little bit more of an internal procedure for the team here at Hilton Coachworks, but it's basically another in-depth look at the car, assessing its condition, assessing the damage, and seeing if there was anything that was missed out on the initial estimate. Lots of photographs will be taken as well, again for the team's records, but also as a bit of a measurement of the state that the car arrived in. Once the car has been processed, the initial estimate will be rechecked, and when everything is cleared, then the car will be assigned to the workshop for work to begin.